Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and do another guitar unboxing. This one here is an Epiphone SG Special VE. The VE stands for Vintage Edition. This one is in the walnut flavor, so I'm kind of excited to open this one and see what this one looks like. So without further ado, let's get moving.
Walnut flavor.
Walnut flavor. That's right. We got two of these to open today. We're going to do the walnut one right now, and then this one's mine, and then she's going to, the wife here, the chef, she's going to open up the cherry flavored SG, and that one's hers. So let's get this baby opened up. See what we got. Epiphone SG. Kind of the entry-level SG, if you will. But I've heard really good things. Actually, I shouldn't just say I heard good things. I've actually had one of these at one time, and it was a pretty cool little guitar. So we bought this from, where did we buy this from? Crescendo. Crescendo via Lazada. So they're usually pretty good. They're pretty good seller. I think it took like 3 days, which is extremely fast, I think. So I've had to wait a lot longer for guitars to ship through the system. I think this one took about 3 days to get here. So these are great mod platforms. If you like to tinker, upgrade pickups, tuners, those are the first things that you usually go after with these guitars. Anyways, get some cool pickups, which don't cost much these days. You can get some pretty nice pickups for decent price these days. The Wilkinsons, and oh man, that is a cool looking guitar.
You don't intrigue me.
I like it. I really like it so far. Just at first glance. I'm gonna have fun with this one. Heck yeah.
Show me then.
Yeah, pretty cool. Nothing fancy, just your no frills. The neck feels nice. Let me check the frets. No sharp frets. How about that? Huh? Those frets feel awesome. You're talking, a less than a sub $200 USD, $200 guitar, and I guess in pesos, what? Less than 10,000 pesos. You're kind of in the 9,000 plus peso bracket with these guitars. Just a little over 9,000. Closer to 10 if you're going to buy them regular non-sale price. But yeah, well, now these Epiphone pickups, they're actually not that bad, but pretty much with all these cheaper guitars, I just replace them and put in what I like. Some nice Alnico 5 pickups. But really, that's not necessary. These pickups are just fine. The tuners, on the other hand, I don't like them. I've had them and I don't like them. So those will be the first to go. These will get replaced immediately. And then we're going to take her guitar and this one and upgrade the both of them. But yeah, not too bad, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Lightweight, short scale, well, shorter than a Strat and a Telecaster, that is. The frets aren't poking out. We'll see later if they're level. Hopefully they are. Hopefully we don't get any fret buzz with these. Keep your fingers crossed. No physical damage that I can see. It's a 2021. Looking at the serial number. Yeah, solid guitar. And exactly the color, the finish that I wanted. It's basically kind of unfinished. It's very satiny. There's no gloss on this, which is fine by me. Just a nice bang around SG guitar. Total rock and roll machine. Probably a little bit of blues here and there as well. So, all right, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.